Hello, it's Zetty from Clena here, and today we're talking about Mangrove Aquabac. Aquabac is a foaming bactericidal washroom cleaner. It cleans, sanitises and removes limescale. It is certified to EN 1276, pleasantly perfumed and safe for use on stainless steel and aluminium surfaces. Aquabac is a ready-to-use form. It does not require diluting. However, we do recommend that you wear gloves and glasses when using this product. Now let's go and see this product in use.
To use Aquabac, simply spray directly onto the surface to be cleaned. When cleaning limescale deposits on surfaces such as taps, leave for 2 minutes to allow contact time. Then wipe the product off.
This solution is delivered as a foam, so this enables it to cling to vertical surfaces for a longer contact time.
To refill an empty trigger spray bottle, firstly remove the trigger head. Then remove the cap from your 5 litre refill container and replace this with a tap. Ensure the tap is secured tightly and turned off to prevent any spills. Then place the 5 litre container on a flat, level surface. Place your trigger spray underneath and turn the tap on to refill. Once you have the required amount, turn the tap off, replace the trigger head securely, and your trigger spray is now ready for use once again.
When used as part of a regular cleaning programme, Aquabac will actively work to prevent the buildup of limescale. It will leave surfaces clean, hygienic and pleasantly fragranced. Aquabac does come in a 5 litre container, and as mentioned before, it does not require diluting. It's a ready-to-use solution. By using your 5 litre container to refill your 750ml trigger sprays, this will help reduce plastic waste and have a positive impact on our environment. To reorder these products, it's DT159 for our 5 litre and it's AS142 to order the trigger spray. If you have any other questions, then please reach out to us at Clena.